Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So in for repair today, what I have is an iPhone 12. And what's going on with it, my friend says that he plugged it into a charger and it's not charging. So there it is. And as you can tell, the charger's not going in. So there's something stuck inside the port. So this is for all you guys that might have this issue. Your phone is not charging, you try to plug something in and it's not plugging in. This is the way to fix it. Get a small tweezer, something like this, and inside the port, that was rice grain that came out because he had tried to put it in rice to try to clear out whatever was in the port. Okay, and now we got our charger. Plug it in, and it's fitting all the way in. And there we go, we got charging sign. So we'll let it charge up and then we'll come back to this video. Alright, so there it is, guys. It's turned on, okay, and it's ready to go. So if you have this problem, this is how you fix it. Don't put it in the rice. If you get some water in it, take it to a repair shop, let them take it apart, clean it out, and get it back up and running. If you put it in rice, you're going to end up getting a rice grain in the charging port. I've seen this several times, and the only way to fix that is to get that rice grain out. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.